The rain was supposed to be about an hour behind me, and then all of a sudden it formed. Now it's pouring down rain before I got here, and I'm soaking wet trying to get everything loaded up. But I am going to try to get these piles burning today. I'm gonna go over here in this one, rake around real quick, and find a dry spot of brush and get it going. Probably won't get much video till I get them going. All right, got a little bit of fire going here. The wind is supposed to blow towards that direction, hence why I set it on this side of the pile, but it seems to be blowing that way, which it is what it is. This is the side all the small dry materials on anyway, so I'm gonna stack some on here and probably go set another pile on fire. Well, the rain eased off for a minute. I think that's gonna give that time to catch up. I put a pile of small stuff up top. I'm gonna let it catch on fire. I'm gonna grab it real quick and then track over here and try to put it in this pile right here on the other side, or maybe right there, and hopefully get that dry stuff burning and that pile there burning as well. Find out here in about 2 or 3 minutes once this grapple full catches on fire. All right, got pile number 2 set on fire. Got the D6 out of the way. I'll go back and get the Komatsu. I'm out of breath. I've been running around like crazy here. Got pile number 3 set on fire. I am soaking wet, but I think everything's gonna burn good. I'm gonna grab some of this dry brush here, put on there, and just kind of keep tending to everything today. So looks like we got rain for a good couple hours, so I'm gonna stoke it to them. So first pile seems to be doing really well. I'm gonna go ahead and stack a bunch of these logs on the fire that we hauled up here yesterday from the pond site, and all those big poplar stumps. So these logs will get to burning, and they'll actually create space inside the pile there, and it'll actually burn better because those stumps and everything pack in there so tight. It creates a lot of doesn't leave a lot of voids, so it's packed in there really tight and it doesn't burn as good. But you can kind of put some of these big logs and stumps in there and then pack some of that brush, and normally that'll get it going pretty good. But it already looks like it's really catching up pretty good, so I'm happy with that. Although a lot of the stumps are on that far side, but once I get a good hot fire going, it really won't matter too much here. Stacked on there. Want it to burn, it's got to be in the pile. Pile's going pretty good, so the ashes are kind of almost blowing towards me. So before that other one gets to raging too much, I want to try to get as much as I can right here on the pile. That way I'm not downwind of a fire, which is never good. I can see it's going to be a busy day today, chasing fires and keeping everything stacked up. it along the edge of the pile. If it smolders over into it, that's great, but I'm not going to smolder the fire out with a bunch of wet grass and roots. But it'll stay there and stay hot and keep burning down as well. So let me throw this on there, and I'm going to go around to the other side and stack some more of that stuff up there on the pile. I'm going to go with that's a good burn to be probably 80% stumps in that pile and burning like that. The 330 and the stumper, ripping the stumps out, getting them busted in half, 2 or 3 pieces, a lot of the dirt off of them. Yeah, definitely a game changer. These piles are going pretty good. I need to go over there and get some of those logs and throw up in there so they can start catching on fire, and grab that pile of brush over there and add it to probably that pile over there. Maybe this one. I don't know. It's doing really good. Still got a lot of stumps over there though. I'm gonna let it burn down for a touch and then throw some more of those on there. It's kind of getting to where they won't stay on there. They keep rolling off. Well, it's about lunchtime. The first pile that I set on fire is pretty much just stumps here burning now. I've gotten just about everything. There's probably 2 dump truck loads of stumps left over there, and I gotta let that die down. Then I went and set that pile on fire. It's burning down good. The third pile that I set on fire, I would say, is probably the smallest now, but I also didn't have anything else to add to it. It's currently raining pretty good now again. I think I'm gonna go grab lunch, take a nice long lunch, let this stuff burn down for a good hour or so, come back, restack up everything. I may grab some stuff from that pile over there and go down there to the pond site and chunk a little burning stumps or something in the pile, and just see if by chance I can get that pile down there going. Literally, it's green as can be, so I'm not going to say that that's going to burn, but if it would catch on fire, that would be good to get rid of some stuff down there. So I'm gonna go get lunch, come back, see what I can do the rest of the day. All right, I'm back for lunch, back from lunch about an hour later, and rounding these piles up a little bit, getting everything piled up nice and tight so it keeps burning. It looks like the rain is really starting to set in now. It was supposed to be out of here by lunchtime, but it doesn't look like it's going to let up anytime soon, so I'm going to keep on piling it up, keep everything nice and hot, and that way it'll burn down good. I took a couple grapple-fulls of burning stumps down there to the pond pile down there and threw them in there and piled some brush on it, so I'm going to give this a little bit of time and stack all this up and go down there and see if it looks like it's even going to attempt to do anything, or if I just wasted my time. But who knows, it might get hot in there. Good chances are it's probably not going to take off raining as hard as it is right now. It really kind of puts a damper on the burning situation for starting a new fire, but once you get one nice and hot like this, it really doesn't matter. Difficult to see because you get all the steam. Get all these sticks and everything piled up and put in there so they can burn down the stumps, keep some small stuff in there to keep it nice and hot. Making a nice royal muddy mess of everything. The rain is great for it, but I think I'm good on the rain now. Boy, it'll soak in and dry up by Monday. Restack everything. I don't want to, but it probably would finish burning everything down a lot better. I see smoke down there in the woods, so it hasn't gone out yet. All in all, I would say it has burned down really well, considering how many hundreds of stumps I've dug up and put in the pile here. Lots of grappafuls of stuff. Alright, I'm going to sit here and just kind of keep picking through this pile and grabbing the chunks of wood out of it and knock some more dirt off some of these stumps, stack it on the pile and let it do what it's going to do. I'm on a mission. I think my fire down here is going to start burning. So I got a grapple full of some more burning stuff. And I'm going to put it on the pile there. Hopefully that helps now that it's burning nice and hot in the bucket. I'd like to get it in the pile. And now I'm going to grab some more stuff and put on top of it. Hopefully that'll take off. Well, the pond's filling up. That might catch on fire. I kind of put the stuff there in the top because, well, that's really the only place I could drop it. I see flames in there, and I just took down a dead tree and piled it on top, so at least the coals will kind of fall down into the pile and hopefully set it on fire. So we'll see. It definitely won't hurt anything. Let it sit there and burn and dry out some. Hopefully it'll catch on fire and I can get rid of this pile, but who knows. It literally just got knocked down yesterday. And that's a wrap. Still raining. Sloppy wet mud now. But all the piles are burning good. That one's burning really good down there. And hopefully the one in the pond site will catch up. I'm gonna let this stuff burn down tonight. May come back up here tomorrow and restack everything up, but yeah, should just sit there and cook down tonight. So I've run back over here for a couple hours this Sunday morning to restack the fires there. Gosh, look at the mud. I figure with the weather said 5-mile-an-hour wind, it feels like a 20, but I'm gonna go over there and try to restack these piles, knock some of the dirt off the stumps, and get those back burning. It's gonna dry off pretty good today, being so windy and sunshine. So I want to go ahead and get those repiled and burning down so they will disappear. And finally, the back pile here is burning well. There's a lot of stumps left in that. Of course, there was probably 3 times more stumps in this pile as the other two, as pretty much everything from here all the way across was put in this pile, and everything from the road up there. So got all that restacked. I'm gonna let that burn down. I took the ashes, scattered those out on the ground since everything is still nice and goopy and mud. Maybe it'll pull out a little bit of that moisture and soak that up a little bit and help calm the ashes down. What I'll probably do is push all this up into a pile and figure out where and if he wants to do this building pad, and probably need to strip all this off. May take some of these ashes and go ahead and scatter them out right here just to kind of help soak up some of this moisture and get rid of the ashes. That's toasty there. I didn't know the wind was going to blow so strong today, but everything's still nice and wet, so I'm not really bothered by it, other than it's kind of blowing to the two houses that are down there. The main thing is blowing towards all the equipment, but I don't want to move it because everything is pure liquid mud, and I don't want to cake all the undercarriage is full of goopy red mud, because it'd be a nightmare to clean off. So I don't really care for all the smoke to be blowing there, but it is. My gracious, is the wind blowing? I might have to go move it. This is a strong wind blowing right towards the 330. So I guess I could go pull it up a few feet. I think I'm just going to leave this pile alone and let it burn down here kind of quickly. Because I put some more stuff on it. Where'd this wind come from? Like, it was blowing, but now it's like 20 mile an hour sustained wind. I don't know. Whatever. Whatever. I'm gonna go over here and stack up the other pile that's not really blowing towards anything. About a dump truck load here, a half a truckload over there, and probably 3 right there is all that's left. I've been trying to take some of these ashes and rake them out a little bit so they'll soak up some moisture, but that's pretty much the next day. I had about 6 hours yesterday burning and about 2.5 today restacking. So yeah, let it burn down the rest of the weekend here, and probably one more day, and let it soak up some moisture and clean everything up.